Now, today we are going to learn about how to calculate the distance between the 2 points. Now, that's our formula. I would like you to have this with your formula handout. And let me give you 2 points. If the 2 points are here and there, so I'm talking about the y line 7 and 2. If the question is what is the distance between the 2 points, that's pretty simple. So what you do is 7 minus 2, which is 5. The distance is 5. That's pretty simple. Or if it's on the y line, the x line, minus 7, and let's go over with a positive number, 4. So now you guys tell me what is the distance between the 2 points here? That is 7. This is 4. Together 11. So the distance between 2 points here is 11. Now, if you have the 2 points, let's say one of them is here and the other one is, I'm going to get a different coordinates here, there. So what is the distance between the 2 points here? Is this easy to calculate and see by your eyes only? No, we have to use the formula here. And let me show you how to do that. Many of you are good at this. Number one, you need to figure out the coordinates first. And for this, the coordinates are x is first, x is 0, y is 5. And now let's talk about the other one. I'm going to write the coordinates for this. And that is minus 4, x is the first, and regular 3. So those are your coordinates. Now, before I go and calculate the distance between 2 points, let's go back and copy the formula. And let's open a new page here. Bless you. So that's the formula. And I need the coordinates as well. The coordinates. Those are the coordinates. Copy. Let's paste that over here. Those are the coordinates. And let's figure out which one is first, which one is second. This is totally up to you. And I choose as this one will be number 2 and that one will be number 1. So you can do the other way around. You will get the same answer anyway. So now let's calculate the distance using the formula. The distance formula starting with the square root. x2, x are here. Since I'm talking about the second one will be that, 0. First, I'm going to open the bracket, 0 minus from the formula, 0 minus. And now let's talk about x1. Which one is x1? x1 is that, and look at that. I'm going to write down, I have to write down minus 4 here. So there is a minus, but that came from the formula. Let's keep that, minus 4, close it, and don't forget the square, plus, open the bracket, and now I'm going to write down y2. y2 is right over here, 5 minus again from the formula. How about y1? y1, that is the one. y1 is 3. And this time I'm going to forget the square. So I'm going to make mistake right now. Therefore, please don't forget, you follow the formula. Formula has the square, write that down. And now you know this part becomes plus. Negative times negative is plus. 0 is something I can simply ignore. So what I now have is 4 square plus 5 minus 3 is 2 square. And what is 4 square? 4 times 4? 16. What is 2 square? 2 times 2? 4. And altogether is 20. And now I have to calculate the square root of 20. And this is the part I need you to pay attention. 20 square root is this long number. So I'm going to write this long number over here. 4, 47, 21. 4, 47, 21. It goes on and on. Now that's the answer I need to write down here. But this number goes on and on, so you're going to round up the number. You will only write down the first 2 digits from the decimal. But you need to ignore the numbers after the 7. If the number starts with 5 and more, in this case, it starts with 2. If it starts with number that's less than 5, you can simply ignore it and write down, hey, the answer is only 4.47. But if this was a number that was more than 5, 5 and more than 5, let's say 8, 2, 2, 2, 2. So this time, the number that comes after 7 is more than 5. So therefore, your answer would be 4.48. But that's not the case for this question, but you will come up with the answers like that. If the third digit after the decimal is more than 5, give 1 extra. Less than 5, ignore it if it's less than 5. So in this case, I'm going to ignore it because 2 is less than 5, and the answer will be 4.47.